Hello and welcome back to Rich Reviews. Today we're looking at a new watch that's come from wish.com. This one cost about £40 including postage, and it comes with a watch and the adjustable pin remover for the strap, so it's easier to adjust. It's got a bit more strength in that one than the ones that I've had with the other watches, but these are a freebie anyway, so. And this is the watch. Quite a nice style, classic looking watch, but these are different because they're stainless steel cases with wood, real wood outside and in between each strap. I did buy the dark mahogany as well, which is nice, but I still quite like this one as well. It's lighter, obviously, being solid wood around there and around the strap. And it's like a brushed steel casing and strap around the edges there. The dial's nice with this one, it's got more of a bluer sort of dial. I do like the detail on the face. Gonna see what the lumen's like on this one. Let's see if it actually works well. And there you go, so the lumen on this is really nice. Nice and bright. So, you'll be able to see that in the dark very well, and that's only after being in the light for about couple of seconds. It's starting to die now. Still nice. If you're out all day and with the watch and then go in a dark area, that would work a lot better. Let's have a look at the strap, the watch itself, the rear of the watch. It's got a stopwatch. Well moving around now. And go back to 0 again. So yeah, it's a nice watch that, I like the colour. Buttons are nice. Nice stainless steel back. Obviously a quartz movement, and it's got a nice strap. That strap feels really nice. Quality make. Stainless steel, it's obviously a waterproof or water resistant watch. So yeah, it's a nice looking watch. It's obviously got the date on there as well. Yeah, it's a very nice watch. 9 out of 10 for its looks. £40, quite nice. Thanks for watching, and come back for more reviews on watches with Rich Reviews. Please subscribe and like. Thanks a lot, and see you again soon.